Hey, good morning, guys. Happy Friday. Today is September 17, 2021. Right now is 10:03 in the early in the morning. I can't really show you the outside, but it's really nice right now. Sun's all out. But anyway, last night I just got this in the mail from Walmart, and this is I guess they call it professional dental toolkit, teeth cleaning oral care kit. It has a new on it. I don't know if you guys can see this, the writing, but anyway, it has a barcode scan code on it, model number and stuff like that. Came in a nice, I think this is a fake leather polyester wrap right here. Let me quickly open it. So like I said, I ordered this from Walmart. It's a teeth cleaning kit. The reason why I picked this one is because I thought that it's the cheapest and you get the most kit inside. So when you search up on Walmart or different website, they have different variation of kit that they have. Some there has like seven kit inside, seven tools. Some has six, some have three. And the price also vary too. It vary from like $6 to $20 to $18, 11, 12, and stuff like that. Depends on how many tools you have. So I think I got this the best deal. Like I say, first thing it felt like a leather, but I don't think they'll actually. Yeah, I don't think this is actual leather. Yeah, let me quickly open it. So the one that I have it is six. I have six of these inside. If you count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six of these. I really like the interior, having it to be red. That like something like this. It only cost me, if I didn't guess the wrong, I think it only cost me $7 or $8 for all six of these, which I think is a great deal. I mean, similar seller that who has different seller with similar product with six item. I think they cost for like $12, $13, or some of them cost $20. But this one's the cheapest I could find for six item inside the bag, inside the leather bags, for only $7, $8, I think. Free shipping. That's definitely pretty cool. So free shipping. Only took about 2 days for Walmart to ship it to me. Yeah, what else I want to say is that the usual, the person that who's selling it, the usual is I think he called himself the Surgical 2. Yeah, that's the account name, Surgical 2. So I bought it from Surgical 2, usual, for $7 something, like something like this. Mostly the one that I'll be using is probably one of these right here, the scraper thing. I don't know if you guys see it. It's both end tip. So bottom and forward. Of course, they also have this. You might curious why I'm getting this. Of course, I do go to dentist every 6 months, but for just general cleaning. But sometimes I feel like I want some of these things to help me scrape the edges, not the gum, but underneath the gum, just kind of scrape some of the dirty stuff off of it. You could see that they have a covering on this side, so I think these three are probably special. I assume it's pretty special. And another thing I noticed is that this thing is very durable. Like it's not a piece of cheap metal. It's really hard, and it's high quality. I feel like the one that they use in the dental office. So for $6-7 or $7-8, it's pretty good. I think it's really good quality. Feels good, and it has like a gripping on both ends. Each one of them has Disney grip on it. I don't think I'm going to be using this. Pretty cool. It has a piece of metal inside there that when you close it, it actually poked through this hole. Pretty cool, right? You see it? I don't really know what this is used for, but maybe picking up will put some like a cloth inside your mouth to soak up all the blood that will saliva or something. I don't really know. You got yourselves a tiny mirror. Let me see if it extends. No, it doesn't extend. So that's it. Hard cup, piece of mirror. Okay, what do you guys think? Pretty good, right? Well, anyway, I like it. Really good for the price, and I really like this bag that they come. Some of them doesn't even come with the bags. They sell for $7-8 just for three items. But mine, I got 7 and a bag. That's really good deal. Definitely look online. That's pretty cool. I think I'll be probably most likely use this tip. It's more skinnier than compared to this side. I think this look wider or something. Actually, the angle of the tip is different. It's facing different. So yeah, it's very nice. So if you guys are looking for one, looking for any teeth cleaning kit, definitely check out the Walmart. Of course, you could also look at Amazon. I actually shop around. I look at Amazon and all the other websites, and I was able to find this one for a pretty good deal on Walmart. Of course, you could also use a Google shopping website. Usually I use Google first in shopping, and then I won't check out Walmart because I get some discount from Walmart. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Leave a comment if you guys, I know a lot of people probably making comments like, yo, don't use this yourself, you know, go to a dental office or something where you mess up your teeth. I won't be going hardcore on my teeth and, you know, trying to make messed up on it. I'm just want to like scrape the edges of it, because sometimes when you use your toothbrush, you can't really wash all of it. And I know you're going to say flossing, you know, definitely I recommend everybody floss, but sometimes after flossing, some plaque that is pretty tough to get off on the edge, like the lateral side of your teeth, and sometimes the flossing just hard to get out. So that's what this come in. I want to use this just to scrape it off a little bit. I know that the dental office sometimes they have these machines that vibrate, the two that vibrate to get it off. Of course, I'm just gonna try with this and just hard. But if it doesn't work, of course, I'm, you know, 6 months later, I'll be checking out the doctor again and see if they could take it off. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any comments, definitely leave it below. And if you are looking for one, definitely check it out on the website. It's pretty good. Of course, I haven't used it yet, but based on the appearance and then the touch of the quality, it seems pretty good. Yeah, so take it into your own risk. Okay. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.